It's gonna be a lot of work, but it's gonna be a lot of fun too. You have to get them here to there. This is gonna be hit and run job. And welcome back. Today we are making small square bales from one of our pastures. Right now I'm raking. So my neighbor gonna come with a small square baler, bale it up, and then we're gonna bring it in the barn. This is the next day after Midsummer's party. It's a bit tough, but it's good. It's not bad. So right now, this, as I said, this is a pasture. We grazed cows on this, but as it's, I don't know if you can see over there, there's a road. It's really close to the road, so in this rainless summer, there's a lot of dust from the gravel road coming on this field, so the cows don't like the dusty grass. No, they didn't graze much in this field, so there's quite a lot of grass left. So I thought I'd take advantage of it and make some square bales for the calves. Pretty good grass. This is actually pretty good yield for this year. It's probably because this is one of the few fields on which the water stands in spring. It doesn't go away that quickly, so probably the moisture was longer on this field than on the other fields. So I guess that was the thing that saved this field. It is a bit bumpy because of the same reason. Because it gets because it's too long wet. So yeah, we're gonna make some small square bales. It's been a couple of years since we done that. It's gonna be a lot of work, but it's gonna be a lot of fun too. So stay tuned for that, and let's get farming. Let's go check the hay.
Oh, it's dry. It's good.
It did get rained on. We finally had some rain, and the forecast showing rain all week next week. So this is Saturday, so starting from Sunday, at least it shows rain. I don't know if it will gonna come or not. Hopefully it will come, so that's why we're gonna bale it up. So yeah, and it did get rained on. It was on Wednesday or Thursday, I think it got rained on. I did take it out. Now it's dry. I think it's even better when it gets a little rain on, because this year, because of the drought, the hay is really, how to say, it breaks really easily and it bales really shitty. So when it gets rained on, it gets like, how to say, like a gummy way. I don't know. It doesn't break that easy. So it's gonna be easier for the square baler to make some bales and for us to handle them. Yeah, it doesn't break that much anymore. It's dry, but it's better. For this year, when hay gets rained on once, it's better for the hay. At least that's what I think so. Yeah. Let's finish this field and then let's start baling.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. I'm not heading for the stars, driving down this boulevard tonight. Yeah, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. When we go to bed at night, we won't turn out the light until we made it right and repair the fight. We talk about what's tough, not afraid to bring it up. We laugh when times are rough. All of is enough to carry us through. You bring me roses on a Tuesday, kiss me at the red light. We both like to walk down in Shelby Park. You hold my head at bedtime, you know my favorite wine. This is why we work, why it's you and I. In the middle of the day, you turn to me and say, come on, let's get away. Skip this town for a day. Get behind the wheel and drive. We don't care about the time with you by my side. I don't need to hide, I feel alive. You bring me coffee in the morning, post it with a love note. We both like to take it on a Sunday night. You know just when to kiss me, you know I don't like whiskey. This is why we work, why it's you and I. Down the line, people will forget the reason why they walk down the aisle. They lose their love to everyday life. That's not you and I. You bring me roses on a Tuesday, kiss me at the red light. We both like to walk down in Shelby Park. You hold my hand at bedtime, you know my favorite wine. This is why we work, why it's you and I. You bring me coffee in the morning, post it with a love note. We both like to dig it on a Sunday night. You know just when to kiss me, you know I don't like whiskey. This is why we work, why it's you and I. Dancing in the moonlight, girl, you bring the sun out. This is why we work, why it's you and I. We got our windows down, driving down the 405. Sing along to the
radio. We're gonna make it someday. Nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh, oh. I'm gonna quit my job. Never wanna have no bars. I just wanna play my rock and roll like they do on the radio. Tommy's got brand new drums, and I still have my old guitar. And John said this next song's gonna be real good, if you know what I mean. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage.
And welcome back. Right now I'm going up the attic, or you can say hayloft, up the heifer barn. We usually store straw here for the heifer and calf bedding, but we're gonna store small square bales here. As you can see, we already have some there. It's like 2 days later after we baled them. Didn't have time to unload the big load. And the same day we baled, I was exhausted. It was actually really hard work. But we did load this, the second load, which was a really small one, up here. So today we're gonna unload the big load. Some round bales. Here we have the big load, and we have to get them from here to there. Last time we did small square bales, there was no bales here so we back up the trailer against the wall there. It was a lot easier, but this time we have to do it this way. Together we baled around 160 square bales. As you can saw, my neighbor with his case, and with another neighbor's square baler, made the bales. So these we are gonna use for calves and heifers. So yeah, for feeding, a bit easier, a bit more work to get them in, but a bit easier to feed. So we change the tactics a little bit. Remove the round bales and push it more in, so it's a little easier. Let's get loading.
Like a rhapsody, out of spite. Give me a cue to start the show. Give me 1, 2, 3, let's go. Let me just reminisce for a change. Give you the genesis of my range. And when the whole world starts to fall, I'll be the one rising up, standing tall. They got me like oh, oh, oh. They got me like oh, 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 oh. They got me like oh, 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 oh. They got me like oh, 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 oh. You better believe I'll run the train. I'll be the reigning Spain a hurricane. In the day, supersonic like an aeroplane. Far away, as soon as I drop the beat down low, everybody knock, knock, give me some more. Let me just improvise a couple lines, break it down, symbolize a couple times. And when the whole room starts to cheer, that'll be the reason why I'm here. They got me like, uh-oh, uh-oh. 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 You better believe I'm on the train. I'll be the rain and Spain, change the game up. Make this my start, state of the art. I'll be a rocket, a rocket. I'll be heavy in the night, gives me eyes back. Give me a kiss, start the show. Give me a 1, 2, 3, let's go. Let me just reminisce for a change. Give you the genesis of the range. Yeah, starts to fall. Be the rise, standing tall. You better believe I'm on the train. I'll be the rain and Spain, change the game up. Make this my start, state of the art. I'll be a rocket, a rocket. I'm like a hurricane in the day, supersonic like an airplane. Far away, as soon as I drop the beat down low, everybody knock, knock, give me some more. Let me just improvise a couple lines, break it down, symbolize a couple times. And when the whole room starts to cheer, that'll be the reason why I'm here.
So this is how much we get. Here we have our shaft, or what's it called? Down there's the heifer bar. We can throw them from here to down there. That's specially designed for that. So yeah, a bit hard work, but we did it. Yeah, bales are in. Now we just need a lot more round bales for the calves. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok. And see you next time. Bye. I'm gonna try to destroy this one. There's the wasp nest all around there. I will try to destroy it. Probably gonna run. This is gonna be hit and run job. Okay, bye.